What's up? So I'm going to be going over 6 different websites that you can use to make $100 a day, even if you're broke. Now, this doesn't cost any money to do, and I'm going to be outlining all 6 of these websites on my computer over there, and we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to show you how you can make some serious money online. You just need to know where to go. Let's get it. Okay, I am having way too much fun with these money shooters right here. This is a lot of fun. I'm sorry, but I just got these things and they are a hoot. Okay, so let's check this out. So the first website that you can make some serious money on, this website pays out millions of dollars a year. I've seen tons of people use it. Frankly, it is the most annoying ad website in the world, but you make good money doing it. So it's called AdFly, okay? And the way it works is you share links on the internet, but you just shrink them with AdFly. So let me show you real quick. So what's a website that you like to use, or what's something you might share with people? Let's say a funny video, right? So let's find a funny video, okay? And we'll say, okay, here's a funny video. It's got funny fails. Oh, okay. We're gonna put this on AdFly, okay? And you can see right here is what the URL is, adf.ly. Now we're going to paste this YouTube video in here and we're gonna say shrink. And we get an AdFly link, which we are going to copy and paste. Let's check it out. So now what happens is we go to a website and it says, notice this, it shows an ad. It says, please wait 2 seconds. There's an ad right here, but you can't go to the website unless you click skip ad over here, okay? Then you have to press allow to continue. So it makes it hard to access URLs. It's really annoying, but the great thing about it is you get paid money every time somebody clicks on a link. Now, what you want to do is you want to create an account. Now, the second way of making money, of making $100 a day online, is called Flippa. So Flippa is a site where you can buy and sell website domains. Now, this is a totally new market. Now, one interesting business model that's been around for years or for hundreds of years is called Business Broker. And it's where you help people buy and sell their businesses and you make a commission in between. I know 2 business brokers who actually make over $1 million a year helping people sell their businesses and finding buyers for those businesses and making a cut in the middle. Now, that's essentially what you're doing here is you're helping people buy and sell their websites and make money on the transaction. So there's a number of ways to use Flippa to actually buy and sell websites. Let's look at starter sites right here. We're just gonna click starter sites right here. So you can see here, all my friends are models. Or let's try another site, which is, so here's a site, 247amend.com. Now, as you can see, if you zoom in, we can see that this site makes $3,400 per month. So what's neat is you could actually, if you wanted to, buy this site for $4,000 and you could have a website that makes you back that amount of money within a month and a couple days, okay? Within a month and 5 days, you have a website now that makes you $3,500 a month. So you pay off the website, you get a loan, pay off the website within 2 months, and then it's pure profit after that. That's one way of starting an internet business. Just buy it. Another way of starting an internet business, as I said, is making $100 a day, is helping people buy and sell websites on here. You could reach out to 100 business owners who have websites and you can ask them, how much would you like to sell your website? Maybe somebody will. And you can sell that website on flippa.com and tell them and make a cut of the transaction. You can facilitate the transaction and make a cut, maybe anywhere from 15 to 25%. Another way you can use Flippa to make money is you can actually buy a website and improve it, sort of like fixing and flipping a house in real estate. You can buy a website, and if you know a little bit about marketing, you could place better ads on it, you could improve its search rankings, and you can optimize the website for conversions. Very easy stuff, very straightforward. So now we're on Duda.com, and you'll see that right there, Duda.com, and it says the web design platform for scaling your agency. Let's build websites. Now what Duda.com is Duda is a site that will help you build websites if you have zero technical experience. And there are a lot of people out there, there are a lot of business owners and a lot of individuals out there who would like to have websites created for them. You can use Duda to build those websites for them for free, and you can make money. You can charge money for that. So having no technical experience, I mean, think about it. I think there's 500,000 businesses registered each year in the United States. That's over 1,500 businesses every single day are registered in the United States, and it's public information. Now, if you can get just one of those businesses to pay you $100 a day to design a website for their new business they registered, which is public information, then you're making $100 a day, and you got your money right there. Simple, easy, fast, and free. You got it. You start your digital agency. Now, the next way to make money online is a site I like to use a lot, which is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is, you can sell your services for $5. You can do simple little things like design a logo, or place a backlink for somebody, or shoot a video for somebody. Let's check out VoiceOver. Popular. So here's one. I will record a professional female American voiceover.
Welcome to my voiceover gig. I'm a professionally trained voiceover artist, and I've worked with thousands of companies.
Frankly, it sounds like an Indian robot. But that sounds horrible. But the point is, for $20, this is the most popular gig in the voiceover category. If you can just do 5 voiceovers a day, you're gonna make $100. So that's very easy. Here's another one. I will voice an impression of Gandalf, Magneto, or any something or another, okay? I will professionally record an American female voiceover. So you have a lot of different ways to make money on here just by doing voiceovers. And there's a lot of other ways you can make money with Fiverr. You could do translations if you know another language. You can do articles or blog posts if you know how to write articles or blog posts. There's a million ways that you can make money with Fiverr very simply and easily. Let's move on to the next one. Now, the next way you can make money online is sort of similar to what we did with the web design, but there's also lots of businesses that are looking for logos, or that are looking for ad banners, or that are looking for various things related to brochures or what have you. Now, you can help those businesses by designing those things for them with zero technical skills, with zero graphic design skills, with software programs that are literally free. Now, the software tool to use for people who have no graphic design skills that want to actually start doing graphic design or marketing brochures or whatever for businesses is called Canva. Okay, right here, Canva. And you can see the first link right here is what you want to click on to be taken to this site right here. So let's say we wanted to design a brochure for somebody. You would type in brochure. And here you have a template for brochures. So I just click this, and literally right away we're given templates to design professional brochures for a business. Now, what's great about Canva is you don't need any design skills to do it. Now, as you see, I chose this brochure, and I can literally change out these images just by, I click on photos, and I just drag this over here. I could drag this over here. I could, I could do anything like that. I can go back to the template. I can say, okay, I want to change out this image for this image, and boom. And it's so easy. It's so simple to do. It's like unbelievable. And you can create professionally designed brochures or marketing material or business cards or anything that has to deal with design with Canva. And you can charge real money for that. Frankly, I just found out about this software. I pay graphic designers thousands of dollars because I'm lazy but it's so easy to do now, and you can charge a lot of money for this. Now, the last method that you can use to make $100 a day is actually the method I use to make $100 a day, and it's called affiliate marketing. And it's by marketing other companies' products online and earning a commission for marketing those products. Now, I make a little bit more than $100 a day, but nonetheless, this earns a little gunshot. Let's go see clickbank.com. So it's right here. And to sign up, you create an account right here. Now, ClickBank will pay you money, whereas clients, you can get them to pay you any way they want, whether it's through PayPal or Stripe or what have you. ClickBank will pay you two ways. They'll either pay you through a check. They'll send a check in the mail to whatever your address is, or number two is they will send you a bank wire, direct deposit into your bank account. They don't work with every country around the world. They don't work with Nigeria or Bangladesh. Sorry, Nigerians or Bangladeshis, if that's right. Now, where you find about the products that you can sell is you would click in the affiliate marketplace. Okay. Now, first off, if you are getting value from this video, slam that subscribe button and hit the like. Make sure you enable notifications after you subscribe, because I'm going to start doing some live streams here soon, and I look forward to seeing you on those live streams. I'm going to be dropping knowledge. I want to answer live questions and talk to you guys, and love to see you on my future videos. I have a ton of videos on my channel. I try to teach the world affiliate marketing. I actually believe everybody in the future who's a business person will be an affiliate for some company. So stay tuned on this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me some love, because I'd love to see you on future videos on the channel. So let's go to that affiliate marketplace. And what we do once we're here in the marketplace is we want to click that magnifying glass button right there. And what will pop up is, as you see, we have over 4,353 products that we can promote as an affiliate. Now, over here in the green, you will see your payout. That's the amount of money you will earn for promoting whatever product is over here on the left side. This happens to be the #1 product, which is a weight loss product called Flat Belly Fix. And the way you promote these products is you would click the link right here, click promote, you would enter in your account nickname, and you click generate hop link. Copy this. So they'll go to a link like this, and if they click on this link, they're gonna have to view this video, and then they purchase the product. You win, and you make money. And you sell 3 of these Flat Belly Fix products, and you make $100 a day. Now, just to give you perspective, that's about 60 clicks. Whereas on AdFly, you'd have to get about something like 200 or 300 clicks to earn $100 a day. On this, for the Flat Belly Fix, you'd need about 60 clicks to earn on average about $100 a day. That'll give you about 3 sales. I actually have a product on ClickBank, and my product is, if you scroll down here, there's different ways you can promote affiliate products. You can look for products that pay you a lot of recurring commissions, or you can look for products that pay you very large commissions as well. Now, my product happens to do both. You'll see my product right here, which is the #1 high ticket product, because I want my affiliates to make a lot of money. And this is actually also my training course. So you can be an affiliate for me, or you can just be a student of mine and take my 6-week training course and learn how you can tap in to this business model of affiliate marketing and make very large commissions online through selling products. There's 7 billion people in the world right now, and most of them are using the internet. Most of the products that are bought nowadays are done so on the internet, and you have a chance to earn commissions from those. What you have to understand is most people aren't even interacting in real life. Most people are not interacting in person anymore. They're using these things to interact now. They're using those computers to interact and to buy things for their house or their apartment or their whatever. You can tap into that money. You can have a percentage of that money. You can be the person who connects them with your link to the products. And you can connect to people on a massive scale and earn a lot of money doing so, you just have to take action. Now, I'm not doing my job giving this information out to you for free if you don't do anything. Now, if you're interested in making money online, if you're gonna put one of these 5 or 6 ways into action, type in "I'm in." Go to the comments right now and type in "I'm in." Because if you don't take action doing this, then I wasted my time here, and frankly, you wasted yours as well. So take action, type in the comments, "I'm in," subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos, just like this one, teaching you how to make money with the internet. Talk soon.